Damian of Newserve, which is Newmar's Mobile unit, came out to help me fix a problem I was having with my slide. Not only did he take care of my problem with the slide, he also taught me a little trick if I ever get stranded again with a bedroom slide issue. And I'm looking forward to showing you what it is. Because now Damian's going to teach me and us what to buy to have on hand, an inexpensive tool that can help you bring your slide in and out in the event your board goes bad.
So what you can do is buy a little tool, and this is just in case, like cover your own butt kind of thing, where you could plug in a battery, and it'll have a red and a black wire.
Just like that little thing you have.
Just like I had, obviously I made it on site, but if you...
They make one that you...
Yeah, you just literally, it'll be something like this, for example. Your battery would be connected to it, and then have two wires coming out of it, and you literally click a switch to turn it on or to turn it off.
So you take those two wires off,
these,
and stick them in.
You'll follow these.
Yep.
Be like, okay, these is the power for my motor. Obviously red, power, ground, black.
Yep.
And then you'll plug it into there, and then you'll turn on the battery. If you see that it's going out further, or it's like starting to click, tick, tick, turn it off, and then swap the wires.
Okay.
Because the black and the red, let's say that the black to the black and the red to the red, like this.
Yeah.
This might be out, and you're already all the way out.
Okay.
So you need to come in, so all you got to do is swap the red to the black and the black to the red, and then you'll start seeing it come in. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
It's because one way, I believe it's the right way, which is red to red, black to black is out. And then if you flip it,
if you want in,
you'll just flip those two, and then it'll start coming in. And that's what we did.
How do I get me one of them tools?
Probably Amazon.
So they're called a power wheel adapter. You want one with a switch on it so you can turn it off. I have a Dewalt old style, so I ordered this one. It was only $11. If you have the newer style Dewalt, you can get this one, and they make them for Milwaukee's as well. So I got this from Amazon for like $12. It comes in a nice little box that I can keep it stored in under the bed. Just strip the two, here's the black and the red wire. Just strip those off so I can attach them to the correct corresponding wires from the motor. It's got a fuse, and which is good for protection. It won't overdo it, and it's got a little tiny switch on it. On and off. How cool is that? Just put your Dewalt battery in there, and voila. Whew, peace of mind. Thank you, Damian. You're awesome.